So guys, this is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So let's see what GBP USD will be doing for us for the day. But first and first, those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, what is our trend on GBP USD? It is very clear that GBP USD is in an uptrend move. We are very much in an uptrend move. This is very much bullish, right? Now, take a look at this movement right here. Our overall trend right here on GBP USD is in an uptrend move. You can see that market is pushing to the upside. Now, that rule of trading, we have the 2 rules of trading, which is know your trend. Second rule is trade with the trend. So when you go to your 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that this is trending to the upside. So we are in an uptrend move. That is our trend. Now, we are going to trade with the trend, which is to also continue that movement to the upside. So this is our high. This is the higher low. Market pushed up one more time to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market then push up again to form a new higher high. This is the higher low. Market eventually push up again to form a new higher high. And now this is our higher low. Now that we've gotten this higher low, we should be expecting market to push up to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your GBP USD, you would want to be going in for the buy. So a bullish move is what you'll be expecting. Now, if you have to clock in this your trend line, you can see that market is currently tapping this trend line. So this should serve as a confluence for markets to push up till it is able to take out this previous high, thereby forming a new higher high. So guys, a bullish move for the day is what we should be expecting on our GBP USD. Now, could there be changes to this prediction? Yes, there is a possibility that there will be changes. But if there will be any changes to this prediction, I will make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you to miss out on any updates, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.